Okay, we've got an inverse proportionality question here. P is inversely proportional to t, so I can write that P is proportional to 1 over t. Therefore, I can say that P is equal to some constant k over t. Now, we need to find k to fill in the rest of the table. Only one set of results are effectively simultaneous. In other words, when t was 100, p was 1. So we now substitute those values in. So sub t equals 100, p equals 1. So therefore we get 1 is equal to k over 100. So therefore k is equal to 100. Our equation becomes p is equal to 100 over t. So that's an important result. So now we've got to substitute in turn all of these values. If t is 25, we've got 100 over 25, which is 4. When t is 2, we get 100 over 2, so p is 50. Now it's the other way round. We need to find t when p is 5. If we put p as the denominator and t as the numerator up here, in other words, swap p for t, the equation still will be true. So we get 100 over 5, which is 20. And those should be your results.